Alright, so continuing with exercise 4, it's time to solve question number 14. And the question number 14 reads, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining the pairs of points. So basically what you have to do, you have to find the midpoint of the line joining 5, minus 6 and minus 8, minus 4. So what is your x1 here? Your x1 is 5, my x2 is minus 8, my y1 is minus 6 and my y2 is minus 4. Then how to find a midpoint? There is a formula for midpoint. I have explained in a previous video. So very simple. Midpoint is what? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Put these values and calculate, and you should get minus 3 by 2, comma minus 5. Right? Very straightforward question. So 14.2 is similar to one that you can try on your own. Now let's go to question number 15. Alright, now question number 15. So 2, 3, 5, minus 3, there is a line and the point divides it in the ratio 1:2 internally. You have to find the coordinates of P. This kind of question you have already solved in class 10. So what is happening here is that there is a line AB. A has coordinates 2, 3, B has coordinate 5, minus 3. The point P has divided this whole line into 2 ratio 1:2. Okay, you have to find the coordinates of P. So what is my x1? My x1 is 2. What is my x2? x2 is 5. y1 is 3. y2 is minus 3. My m is 1 and n is 2. M is 2, n is 1:2. So applying section formula, what is the coordinate of P then? The coordinate of P formula is mx2 plus nx1, because it is internal division, so it will be plus, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So all the values are given over here. You can put all those values and calculate. The final value that you should get is 3, 1. Alright, already done in class 10. Just a revision. That's 15. 1 I have discussed. Now let's move on to 15.3. Now 15.3, 4, 5 and 7, minus 1. So there is a line segment like this. A has coordinates 4, 5. B has coordinates 7, minus 1. Now this is external division. Okay, so the point P is outside actually. So somewhere here, and the ratio is 4:3. So this much is 4 and this much is 3. Okay, so what is my x1 then? My x1 is 4. My x2 is 7, y1 is 5, y2 is minus 1, m is 4 and n is 3. Okay, so now this is an external division. So the coordinates of P in this case, I have to apply the formula for external division. External division formula is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. You have to be careful there. my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So all these values are provided over here. Now substitute all the values and calculate, and you should get 16, minus 19. Alright. So from 15, 1 and 3 have discussed. 2 and 4 you can try on your own. Now let's move on to question number 16. Now in 16, these are the 3 vertices of a triangle basically. So let's say this is my first vertices A, second vertex minus 5, minus 3, and third vertex 19, 4. What you have to do, you have to find the coordinates of the centroid. That means this Z over here. So centroid, we have already learned the formula in the previous video. The centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, not by 2, please be careful. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So basically minus 2 minus 5 plus 19 by 3, comma 9 minus 3 plus 4 by 3. So this is 4, 10 by 3. Very simple, isn't it? Alright. So question of 14, 15 and 16 are discussed in this video. Next video we shall be discussing question number 17, 18 and 19.